Welcome to the Filmora, everyone. Today I am making a simple Valentine's Day gift that anyone can make using items from their kitchen pantry. All we need is some salt, powdered milk, baking soda, honey, and a jar for final product. To make the bath soak extra festive, I'm using pink sea salt instead of just plain salt, and I'm adding a cup of rosebuds. Now there's no order that this has to be done in. Just pour everything into the bowl and mix it up, except for the honey. The honey stays. So this is my baking soda right here. And then I got two different, I got coarse sea salt here. And then I have some fine powdered sea salt here. And then I have 2 cups, or hold on, no, that is wrong. I have a half cup of powdered milk here. That's gonna go into there, and then my rosebuds. And I'm just gonna stir this up until it's all combined. And then we just pour it into our jar. I'm probably going to need a bigger jar, but that is okay.
Milk and honey baths can be traced back to ancient Egypt. Records show that the last pharaoh of Egypt, Cleopatra VII, bathed in such baths regularly. The cool part is that science has shown that this wasn't Cleopatra being frivolous. Milk and honey baths have some amazing health benefits, including helping with dry skin, eczema, sunburns, and psoriasis. The proteins and fat found in milk help to soften and smooth skin, while the lactic acid acts as a gentle exfoliator. The vitamins and minerals in milk act to soothe inflammation as well. Honey not only has the anti-inflammatory properties of milk, but also is naturally antifungal, antibacterial, and full of antioxidants. Perhaps that's why a folk remedy to help heal burns and cuts has been to place honey on the wounds to promote healing and discourage infection. So where does the honey come in? It's simple. As the bathtub fills with water, mix the honey with a cup of boiling water until it dissolves. This may take a couple of minutes, so don't be alarmed if it doesn't dissolve immediately. Now, you're going to pour the honey water infusion into your tub along with the contents of your jar. As the water continues to run into the tub, it will dissolve the powdered milk and the salts and mix the bath soak into a foamy consistency. And there you have it, one Valentine's themed bath soak ready to be enjoyed with a glass of wine and a good poetry book. I hope everyone has a wonderful day. Happy Valentine's! Bye.
Just cleaning the tub. I don't have any rubber duckies. Adult problems. No rubber duckies. And I should probably find out how to get that paint off right there. Has it really been 3 months since I last took a bath? Must be. I think I'm going to use the jets today.